before we start the song, I'd just like to explain the kaupapa of the song. And sorry, I forgot to mention this waiata we're about to sing. Some of you may have heard it today at prize giving. It's called Hukapapa. Nā Papa Tommy Tairi ma te waiata nei i Tito. And this year we were fortunate enough to get a beautiful waiata from Papa Tommy. And we went to his old folks' home and he taught us this waiata. And it was gifted to Hato Hohepa. So he was, pretty happy and giving us this waiata. So, anei he koha, nā te reanga te kaumatoru kia koutou katoa. Please enjoy.
Oh, Heavenly Father, that you in the snow, falling gently from the sky, each one an answer to